So I was partway through building this Proline 1/8 scale hauler bag and realized that this was kind of a confusing thing to get sorted out. So I thought, well, maybe we'll just make a little how-to video for this. Spread it around. Maybe it'll help somebody. So yeah, I'm gonna show you this assembly process for a hauler bag because mine came without any instructions, like no photo, no nothing, no paper information whatsoever on where pieces go. So it was a little blind trying to get her sorted out. So yeah, let's have at it. So what we got going so far is this is the main hauler bag laid on its back, and all I've done is slide in these shiny plastic side pieces that have Velcro on them. They're very tight fit on either side, so it was like, pretty snug getting them in there. So I didn't take it out to redo the video. Make sure that you got the Velcro aligned with the Velcro on the back. And also, so far as I've built a couple of the boxes, these are very straightforward. You just fold and peel the adhesive tape off of the tabs to stick them together. And then these confused me a little bit at first, all these plastic rails, these channels. I wasn't sure what their purpose was, but they just go over the top of your plastic lids to make them nice and sturdy, and you can just press fit them down over the adhesive backing once you peel the tape off, or the backing off of it. So yeah, these are nice and sturdy once you get the plastic channels on them. Got a couple more boxes to build, and then we got to put the other divider pieces in for the drawers. All right, next we're just gonna finish installing or building the drawers. So you want to first locate. Oh, I started the wrong direction. So first locate which way this handle goes. So you've got. Oh, sorry about that. You've got the handle to the outside. So that means that this is going to be the top side. So give that a nice crease. You don't want to go too hard on those things, but you want to make sure that they have a nice fold, so they're not trying to bow out. Fold all your tabs in the direction you're going. And then next thing we want to do is remove your backing only from these side tabs at first. Don't remove the backing for where the channels go quite yet. So once you get those folded, did I do the sides? Do the sides like that. And then I'm gonna hold both of these together. Line the tops up. Give it a firm press where that double side tape is. And then before we do the other side, we want to get the cap on it. So come up here and peel the double side tape from the cap. Put this on. Get it pressed down all the way, and then give it a squeeze where the tape is. Then we'll go to the other side. Pull the backing off. try this. Put bottom drawer in first and base everything off of that. Slide her in. Do one side at a time. I'm gonna keep my hand over that center Velcro piece while I get the other side attached. Use one of these, or both of them, to position upper divider. Okay, now for the final piece, this drawer divider goes in as a zigzag. Always helpful sticking these Velcro dividers in if you can kind of do one side and then the other. The zigzag is kind of odd, it's not really straight up and down. But it fits. There you go. Like that. There you have it. Proline holler bag. Sweet. This thing should last for a long time. I think they're all about the same sort of assembly. I haven't built one in probably 10 years. 15, 20. Anyway, cheers. Hope that was useful for somebody.